We shall understand now the chapter 2 more about paint. And in this we will learn about rotate, flip, drawing. As usual, we will open our previous drawing, click on the start, all programs, accessories and paint. So in this paint, click on the file, open, click on the documents and click on house, click on open. So as we have done the copy in the previous class, so now 3 houses are there. So using these 3 houses, we can rotate each house a different direction. Click on this, select, click on drag around the house. Now the dotted lines are there. Now click on the rotate. Click on the first option, 90 degrees right. Now the other we can click outside and click on select. See that we select straight to the house and drag diagonal and click on the rotate and the second option. So the house is covering. Let us move little back. Keep on pressing the mouse in the center, move back. Now we shall practice one more, just clicking on the select to the third house. Click on select and straight on to the top. Click and drag diagonal. The house is selected. Now you click on rotate and first option 90 degrees. So practice again and again, children. Here now we understand about the resize and square object. To do that, we shall open new paint. All programs and go for accessories and go for paint and we'll go for here paste arrow and click on the paste from and select object and select a picture as required or any, just for a practice. Click on it and click on open and drag the picture to the center. Now we shall now trying to understand about the resize. So this is the resize and square dialog box. Click on the select and drag diagonal to select the picture. Click on resize and click on the pixels and see that we have to maintain the pixels. Now we will type the greater number. We'll erase the smaller number and the greater number we type. I type 750 and click on OK. Now we can see the picture is expanded, bigger size. We'll go for undo and do once again. Select and select the drawing, dragging diagonal. Go for resize. Under the pixels, we'll type the greater number. We'll erase that and we will type the greater number. I'm typing 800 and click on OK. We can see the picture is bigger size. We'll go for undo. And we shall now understand about the square option. This is the square option in the resize. We'll click on the select and select the drawing. Always for the select the drawing, children, before doing any square or resize or rotate option. Now it is selected. Click on the resize and go for square option. And under that we have to type some degree or angle, what we say. I am typing 48 and I click on OK. Now we can see our drawing is twisted. We'll go for undo. We'll practice again. Click on select and drag the mouse to select the drawing. Click on the resize. Under the square option horizontal, type some degree. Now I am typing 50 and I click on OK. You can see the drawing is twisted, slanting. So like this, children practice again and again. Click on undo. Again and again you practice. Good.